The Tumbleweed Boot Review by The Boot Boss. Follow Tumbleweed Boots on Instagram. Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, depends on when you're watching this. So I wanted to jump on and do a quick product tutorial and I guess review, I guess you would call it. Product review. I got these in the mail and they're pretty awesome. So this brand is called Tumbleweed. They are made by old Gringo in their León factory. I love their little saying. It says Tumbleweed leather boots made with passion. And this lady's out of Spain and she's a great designer. These are my favorites. These are called the Ella in the black. And so it comes in this nice box, cute little sticker, and it kind of has this little flyer that tells about Tumbleweed, and you can go on here and you can, snap pictures of the product and kind of do a review. But these are the little booties, and I think they're really great. They're really super comfy. Yes, I have tried them on already. But I like it's a zipper, and then it has this little studding detail, really soft calf skin leather. So let's try them on. Okay, so these are super comfortable. These are made in the style of our Brookshire boot, and they're really comfy. They've got a cushioned insole. They're really cute. You're just seeing a little pop under my little flare jean here, but I like it. I think it has a nice little moto look. And you know how I feel about Western moto. I'm trying to take it off, right? Hashtag Western moto, follow it. So, as somebody who wears boots every single day, I really like these. And they're super comfortable on your feet. I'm just now wearing them. So this is the first time I'm really putting both on and feeling it. I could probably work an 8-hour shift in these. My feet might be a little kind of sore, tired, but not nearly what you would do on some other boots where you have to break it in. So these are really nice. So go check them out at Tumbleweed. Let's see. Yep. So if you check out their Instagram, it's tumbleweed.boots, and go give them some love. Check them out. They're awesome.